Hi, I'm Berfin and this is Ask Turkish. Today's topic is Turkish phrases that are specific to Turkish culture. So without further ado, let's begin. Our first phrase today is su gibi git, su gibi gel. Essentially, it means word by word, go like water, come back like water. You know, when there is something blocking the way, water just erodes it and finds its way no matter what. So this is a way of saying no matter what hurdles you come across during your journey, just make it back, safe and sound. Some Turkish people, quite literally, pour water behind your back before you embark on a journey or you go on a trip. This could be your friends, your family. And so according to some, this means come back before the water dries out, which means come back soon. Our second phrase is kolay gelsin. This is one of my favorite phrases and I use this all the time. It is very useful. So, as obvious as it gets, right? Kolay gelsin means may you find it, whatever you're doing, easy. And it is a very nice thing to say to your colleague, to your friend, or to your taxi driver, or to a shopkeeper when you enter a store, or even when you're leaving the store. This is just a way of wishing well to someone who's doing a job or a chore. So our last phrase for today is eline sağlık and afiyet olsun. Eline sağlık means may your hands be healthy. So what does that mean? It is usually used for when someone cooks for you. And it means, may these hands that prepared this food for me be healthy. I'm thankful. Thank you for the food. And as a response, you can say, afiyet olsun, if you're the one who cooked or made the food. And afiyet olsun means, may this food that I made you bring you help. You can also use this phrase, eline sağlık, for when someone puts so much effort into a thing. So for example, in your workplace, your colleague says, I got the documents you asked for. You can say, teşekkürler, eline sağlık. And in this case, do not answer with afiyet olsun. If you do, it sounds like you're joking. Instead, you can just smile and nod slightly. And this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. And hope to see you in another one.